Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 10th annual Europa Property Investment and Manufacturing Awards. This year, as you can see, we're live and online, transmitting to the world.
Okay, the next category is Professional Service Provider of the Year.
And here we have ADECCO Group, Bilfinger Tabodin, CHWMEG, DeRier, Griffs, and Inbao.
Okay,
And
my
who's
job,
the winner?
okay.
Yeah, okay.
And the winner is this category, which is another, great category, business service, professional service provider. Those guys are working extremely hard.
Here we have the winner, ADECCO Group.
ADECCO.
Bravo,
Great.
ADECCO.
Daniel, welcome. Congratulations.
Thank you. Good evening. Excellent. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much for this great recognition. An absolutely great achievement. So I'd like to thank you for this award on behalf of the all ADECCO team. And I think that proves our new strategy, just launched in March this year, has been well noticed and well received by our clients and partners. So I'm very proud of that. That's even give us more power to move further with the strategy and implementing of the ADECCO Group 360 ecosystem. So we keep going. I'm really delighted to get that recognition from you. So thank you very much. We appreciate it.
Well, congratulations. And I think you must be doing more with the real estate sector, correct? Because I don't really remember seeing you guys winning in the past, but obviously you're doing some more to enter into that sector, I would imagine.
So this is aligned with our new strategy and business mix, and that's one of the segments we are discovering. So definitely these are where we are looking for the opportunities to help as HR advisors. So definitely we're gonna work together more.
Well, great. Well, great to have you, and we'll definitely see you at some of the next events. Next one in February is our retail awards, and I'm sure there's some HR issues with the retailers and the shopping center managers and owners. So I'm sure we'll see your name come up then as well. Yeah. Okay, great. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Congratulations.